Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Good
morning, ma'am.
morning, good morning. What happened to your background? Okay, good. Okay, those who are not turning on the camera within 5 seconds, no attendance for them. 1, 2, 3. Ishan and Aishin, 4. Ishan, 4.5. 5. No attendance for Ishan.
Maybe it's not there.
That could happen. He just turned on and he went his way. Then no attendance. That is the rule, right?
Yeah.
By the way, Phoenix is leading by 2 points. Aishin.
Ma'am, you are Phoenix or
Ihan, we are Phoenix, Ihan.
yeah.
What happened? There's no interest in team and points anymore? What happened, Al-Fatih? Barira?
Al-Fatih and Marina and Ishan is, I think, sleeping.
Barira, focus here. Share your screen, Barira. Barira 1. Barira 2. Barira 3. Share your screen. Barira 4. Screen is not here. Barira 5. Okay, I'm going to text her mama. Where's Barira's mom? Okay, screen is here. Close Canva. Close Matific. I don't want anything there. Close everything. Close it, close it. Close it, Barira, close it. Okay, should I take a photo and send mama? No, don't stop. Close it, close your Canva. Barira, I will send this to mama, okay? Hurry up, close it. I'm going to count till 5. 1, 2, 3. I don't see Canva closing. 4, Barira. Okay, now it looks good. Sidra, please turn on your camera, dear. Ishan is not getting attendance. That doesn't mean you should also not get attendance, right? Please turn on. Yes. Everyone unmute.
Ma'am, yeah, I did it.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
can you show us the scoreboard?
Scoreboard. Let's see. Wait. Where is it?
Ma'am, do you want to see my cat? Jason will win.
Fateh, you can share the scoreboard and Sidra, yes.
Yeah. Griffin will win.
Good morning, ma'am.
Such a cute cat.
Thank you.
My dog is also white.
Really?
But
Slita. In Griffin,
You always
a lot
show
of
your
people are
cat.
just fried.
You always
comes to me.
Haya. And Haya, turn on your camera. We are leading by 7 points. We got points. Where did we get points? Go to the side. Where were we? No, yoga also. Your team is leading. So where did we lead? Move the cursor. Okay, review competition. We got the point. That's where we review and yoga. Okay, that's nice.
Yes.
Yes.
In India, it's so cold.
Yeah, I'm also in India. It is cold. Yes.
No, but now it's winter in UAE. It's winter in UAE. Yeah, here it is also cold. Yeah, in UAE. Bye bye, hot seasons. Time for cold.
You're very late.
Uh oh, Lazeless late.
Late. Haya is late.
No, not here.
Both are late. All the others, good job.
I just my network was hard, and then when I was joining, it showed to put my password. Yeah, that happens to me a lot too. That happened to me too. That's why I got late. Ma'am, good morning, ma'am. Have you tried like
Time.
ma'am,
Yes.
like some other password like 123 change or something? .com,
Dylan is
whatever.
here.
Ma'am, I didn't study the sports one.
You're there? I think Fateh is there. Lazel is there.
But I didn't. I was studying the whole day. I was like learning a lot of sports.
Yeah. It's okay. You guys will do well. We know we'll be cheering. We'll be there in the auditorium during the third period. We'll be cheering for you guys.
I was watching like this, like a letter will come A, and there will be a photo. Cherry, art cherry.
Okay, almost everyone is there. Rihan is there. Ishan is there. Ayman is there. Sidra is there.
Except Muhammad.
Amila
I'm so cold.
even I am cold.
I'm having goosebumps. I'm cold too.
Ayman, turn on your camera, dear. Guys, are you studying for the exam?
Window's literally open.
We
Not
know
even
exams are coming,
closed.
right? Are you studying for the exams?
Yes. Yes. Which exam is the nearest?
Lesson notes are given. Can you see in each theme you have lesson note in your classroom? Study
What
and
is
lesson
the
note
first?
register. Okay,
What is the first exam?
They have not prepared a schedule. As soon as they prepare the schedule, I'll let you know.
Because if it's like tomorrow or something, I'm scared.
No, it's not tomorrow.
It's in December, right? It's in December.
December someday. I'm not sure, so I don't want to give wrong information. I think it is December 6th. No, December 8th, I think, yes.
Starting is the first exam is on December 8th.
Yes.
Okay, I don't know which exam that is, but something.
The 8th exam, even we don't know the exam because timetable has not been put. It is under preparation. So, you have to
But the thing,
tell your mama that exam is starting on December 8th. I forgot to tell her yesterday. Please tell her now itself.
it's
Madrasa is there, I think.
What's that? I have December 3 madrasa exam starting.
Then it's not a problem. Shan, what are you doing there? Share your screen. I'll count till 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shan, 5.
He on his camera. Ishan on his camera.
Shan, on this camera at the end. Shan, why your screen has not been shared? Why you are joining? You should join through Google. Hi, Shan. Don't you have a Google account? Ishan, unmute.
Yeah.
Why you are not joining through Google? Use your browser, Google. It will be easier.
Okay.
Okay. You can stop sharing. Where is ma'am? Who's supposed to come? You're supposed to go to second language, right? Go, people!
Yeah.
Go.
No, ma'am is not come, ma'am.
No, ma'am will
I
not
will
come.
join too. But the ma'am is in here.
Join your classes.
The ma'am is in the second language.
Yes, go to your second language classes.
Okay, wait, is it second language? Bye. Is it second language?
I don't know. You said yes. Let's see. Wait.
Yes.
Don't go until let me count.
Say yeah,
Yes,
baby.
there is second language. Check the calendar.
Is it a second
No,
language?
what's that?
Yes, it is, dear.
Yes, but
But the thing is, look at my calendar.
the ceremony is in here.
In calendar, it is second language only.
But look at my calendar. Look.
Okay.
This
Others,
is
go
what
join
it
the
shows.
second language. Hurry up.
This is what it shows on my calendar. Wait, do I scroll up? Oh, okay.
See, that is there.
Okay, second language. Bye.
Bye, people. Bye.
Bye.
Run. Why so slow motion? Lazel, Ihan, Fateh. Good.
The class didn't start.
Ma'am, I will join too.
The class didn't start.
I think it will shadow. It's 43. Okay, I have to go to the next class. Bye, people.